Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation will focus on diagnosing the DTC P0721, which stands for Output Shaft, Countershaft, Speed Sensor Range, Performance Issue, specifically for the Honda Accord models manufactured between 2012 and 2017. This DTC is crucial as it indicates a potential malfunction with the output shaft, which plays a vital role in the vehicle's transmission system. The output shaft speed sensor is responsible for transmitting critical information regarding the speed of the output shaft to the powertrain control module, PCM. Understanding the component's function is paramount for accurate diagnostics. It's located on the outside of the transmission, and its malfunction can affect vehicle performance and drivability. Overall, we will walk through the symptoms, possible causes, troubleshooting steps, and final verification procedures related to this DTC. The output shaft countershaft speed sensor is a critical component located on the outside of the transmission housing in Honda Accord models 2012 to 2017. This sensor generates a pulsing signal that corresponds to the speed of the park gear on the output shaft, providing essential data to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM utilizes this pulsing signal to determine the operating speed of the output shaft, which is fundamental for the transmission system's efficiency and performance. When the output shaft rotates, if no pulsing occurs, it triggers a malfunction detection in the PCM. The PCM then could register a DTC, indicating that there might be a short circuit, open circuit, or other disruptions affecting this sensor's operation. The position of the sensor is strategically designed to ensure it can effectively monitor the transmission's output shaft speed, highlighting its importance in the smooth operation of the vehicle. Several potential causes can trigger the DTC P0721. Firstly, the output shaft speed sensor line could be shorted to ground, which indicates a physical connection issue causing unwanted electrical paths. Secondly, if the sensor line is open, it might suggest a disconnection or a loose connection in the wiring, disrupting the signal transmission to the PCM. The third possibility involves the output shaft speed sensor itself failing, which would prevent it from sending necessary speed signals. Lastly, there could be an internal circuit failure within the PCM, leading to a misinterpretation of the received signals. Identifying these causes is crucial, as they will guide the technician in efficiently diagnosing and resolving the underlying issue. Symptoms associated with the DTC P0721 are typically observable during vehicle operation. The malfunction indicator light, MIL, will illuminate when the diagnostic trouble code is triggered, alerting the driver to a potential issue. Alongside this, the automatic transmission, AT, gear position indicator will blink, indicating that the transmission control is experiencing difficulties. These signals suggest a potential malfunction pertaining to the output shaft speed sensor or its related components, impacting the hydraulic pressure management within the transmission system. Additionally, the driver may notice inconsistencies in vehicle speed performance, such as erratic shifts or undue strain while accelerating. Being aware of these symptoms can provide vital cues for a technician in pinpointing the problem accurately. The first troubleshooting step in addressing DTC P0721 is to start the engine and ensure it is operating normally. Upon starting the engine, the next action is to drive the vehicle at a speed of 13 miles per hour, or approximately 20 kilometers per hour, for at least 10 seconds. This driving condition is vital as it allows for accurate readings from the output shaft speed sensor while reflecting real-world operating conditions. During this phase, attention should be paid to the transmission behavior and any potential indicators, such as whether the AT gear position indicator blinks or the MIL lights up. This basic operational check is essential for diagnosing the effectiveness of the output shaft speed sensor in the current driving scenario. The second troubleshooting step involves checking for the presence of any other diagnostic trouble codes in conjunction with DTC P0721. This assessment is crucial, as other active codes, such as P0705, P0716, or P0963, could complicate the diagnosis by introducing additional variables affecting the sensor's performance. If the HDS Auto Diagnostics system reveals no other active DTCs, this could suggest that the DTC P0721 might be an isolated issue with the output shaft speed sensor. This step enhances the accuracy of the diagnostic process and allows the technician to focus solely on the output shaft speed sensor if no other issues are detected. Correctly identifying the active statuses of other DTCs ensures that the troubleshooting process remains streamlined and effective. After conducting necessary repairs or part replacements related to the DTC P0721, a final repair verification step is needed. This process involves confirming that the system is functioning flawlessly post-repair. It's critical to start the engine again and check that all previous symptoms, such as the blinking AT gear position indicator and the illumination of the MIL, have completely ceased. After confirming that the repairs have effectively resolved the issues, the technician should clear the DTC using the HDS. Finally, it's important to retest the vehicle under the same conditions outlined in the previous troubleshooting steps to ensure that the DTC does not reappear. This verification process not only reinstates the vehicle's operational reliability, but also provides valuable assurance to the vehicle owner. Preventive maintenance for the output shaft countershaft speed sensor plays a crucial role in avoiding the emergence of DTC P0721 in the future. Regular inspections of the sensor and its associated wiring can help identify signs of wear or damage early. Given its location on the transmission housing, ensuring that the sensor and its connectors are free from contaminants and physical damage is essential. It's also wise to periodically check the electrical connections for security, as loose or corroded connections can lead to intermittent issues or complete sensor failure. Implementing these preventive measures can extend the lifespan of the sensor and maintain optimal vehicle performance, reducing the likelihood of encountering the P0721 DTC again. In summary, the DTC P0721 highlights a significant issue related to the output shaft countershaft speed sensor in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This sensor is vital for proper transmission functionality as it assists the PCM in determining the vehicle's functioning speed. Understanding how this sensor operates and the potential symptoms and causes associated with its malfunction provides a clearer diagnosis pathway. The troubleshooting steps outlined facilitate comprehensive analysis, leading to effective repairs and maintenance practices. Furthermore, emphasizing preventive maintenance strategies ensures the longevity of the sensor and broader transmission system. Equipped with this knowledge, technicians are better positioned to diagnose, repair, and maintain vehicles effectively and efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.